Hi Leo, welcome back to Omkara Tarot, and today we'll be doing another love bite for you. Let's see, Leo, what wants to show up for you today. Wow, Four of Pentacles. Somebody's holding back from a connection, Leo. I'm going to just put this card here. Wonder why it popped up that early. But let's continue and let's see what's showing up for you today. And these are general collective readings, Leo, will not resonate with all of you. Please keep that in mind. Take what works for you and leave the rest. So let's begin. My angel spirit guides, please bless this reading for Leo and send them the messages they need to hear the most right now. Thank you. So, Leo, let's begin your reading. Welcome back, all my subscribers. Thank you for being here again. And Leo, if you're new here, we welcome you as well. Do join us, subscribe to the channel, become part of us. We welcome you in. Ooh, Six of Pentacles, Six of Cups in reverse with a Magician. Okay. All right. So, Leo, so I have the Temperance card here, Leo. Maybe somebody wants to kind of heal something or bring something back together. I don't know. Maybe somebody is holding back, has been holding back from a connection. I do see them feeling a little loss of love here. Now, this could be you, Leo. This could be your person. I don't know. But somebody was trying here to be an emperor in reverse. They were trying to control the situation. They were trying to, be the boss when apparently they weren't. They were just trying to kind of be a bit of a dictator, not show love or something. That brought in a lot of stagnancy to this connection. And forward movement kind of halted here, created some bad memories also. A connection which could have felt really good, like a soulmate connection, now is wrapped up in, some bad memories here. Somebody is now trying to manifest something. I don't know what that is. I have a feeling they want to come out of this cold place. They don't want to feel, I've lost an opportunity or something, feeling very afraid, maybe because there's no communication right now. So what I'm going to do, Leo, I'm going to clarify, of course, all these cards. But first, let's start with some dialogue message cards and let's see if you guys could say something to each other, what that would be, since I see the Eight of Wands in reverse, which means no communication right now. So let's see. Leo and their person spirit, if they could say something to each other, what would that be? Leo and their person. Leo and their person. Oh, that's a lot of cards. All right. We'll take a few from here as well, Leo. Leo and their person. They could say something to each other now. And Leo, if any of you are looking for a personal reading, my email is in the description box below. You can reach me there. Leo and their person. Okay. And let's take a couple more from here as well, Leo. Leo and their person. Leo and their person. Leo and their person. Thank you. All right. The first card I have here says, I get so frustrated by the intense telepathy, the dreams, and strong sexual energy, even though I'm alone. Your hunger and desire for me have me burning up, but you're nowhere to be found. The passion is an all-consuming, inextinguishable fire, and it's driving me crazy. So somebody is alone here. I think they tried to kind of be the big boss here and lost out on a connection. I know that you are with someone else. I know that you're with someone else, but you could tell me the truth about how you feel, so I don't think I'm going effing crazy. So they maybe played mind games earlier and didn't show love, and now there's no communication, so somebody is now worried that maybe the other person is with somebody else. Why is the best fruit always forbidden? Damn, I know that we shouldn't, but I just can't resist you. The magnetic pull is too intense in your presence. I just can't stop myself. Next card says, deep in my heart, I know that you're the one for me. I promise my soul will be by your side for all eternity. Whether together or apart, I feel a prisoner of your heart. You're all I want, my everything. I don't want to be free, for we are chained together in love. I didn't I didn't run from you. I ran away from myself. It's all down to my deep fear of rejection and my insecurities. See, I told you, somebody wasn't a true emperor here. Maybe this person was trying to pretend to be bossy or be the emperor, but it was just because of their own insecurities. Maybe they felt that, they had to behave a little bossy because inside them they were insecure, feeling they could get rejected, and they lost out on some big love here. Okay. I just want to hold you and never let go. I'm working through issues with my family. My ex and I are just friends. So maybe somebody was maybe with an ex, or maybe, I don't know. Each of you will have a different storyline here, Leo. Let's start clarifying these cards. But before that, let's take an angel blessing card. Let's see what my angels have to say to this reading, and then we'll start the clarification process. So my angels, what do you have for Leo? Blessing, guidance, advice, or a message? Blessing, guidance, advice, or a message for Leo. Move. Okay, so Leo, one of you, I don't know, maybe the both of you, there's some movement coming here. Maybe this sometimes mentions moving towards each other, maybe energetically or physically moving to a different location. I don't know, but there is definitely some movement which is about to happen. And if not, I think it's time to make a move. Leo, what do you say? Okay, so now we start with our reading. So Ace of Cups, Spirit, why is the Ace of Cups in reverse here with the Emperor in reverse? Why is the Ace of Cups in reverse with the Emperor in reverse? Somebody wants to return, somebody wants to come back to something that they've lost. They're feeling quite bored of life now. Yes, they want to come back and heal something which is broken. The Three of Swords in reverse, right? Now somebody feels, oh my God, I lost out on this big love, and I have a broken heart, or I've broken my person's heart. What can I do now to heal this thing? Because ever since whatever's happened here has left this Emperor in a very sad place. Maybe feeling no other options are good enough, and the one option that was given to them maybe by the universe, right? This is a cup coming straight from the heavens. That was not taken, right? But now somebody wants to return and maybe speak their truth. Whatever they've been hiding, whatever they've not been speaking, or, trying to be like a Hitler and, hide their emotions or whatever, this person wants to now open up and reveal what's really in their heart. So the Emperor in reverse, Spirit, what do you want to say to us, Emperor? Oh, they're saying I know, I kind of, created a tower moment in our connection. I know I'm responsible for this tower to fall, my bad behavior or my, need to control this pace of this connection. But I don't want this to end. Maybe at that point, this Emperor had a fear of change. Maybe this connection was very intense, right? And they felt a little overpowered or overburdened, and they didn't want things to change in their life. But now there is a lot of stagnancy in this connection. Knight of Pentacles, Spirit? Knight of Pentacles? Yes, somebody's feeling rather ashamed and embarrassed. They're feeling they've lost. They may have won the battle, but they definitely lost the war. Here, this person is feeling not very victorious at the moment because they are realizing, hey, I still have passion here. I still want this person, and I feel a very strong magnetic, energetic, sexual, all kinds of, attraction to this person, and yet I now can't, make a move because somebody is holding back, there's stagnation, maybe somebody didn't move towards this connection when the time was right. So Chariot in reverse, Spirit? Chariot in reverse. Chariot in reverse. Yes, somebody left the other person out in the cold, and now that's exactly how they're feeling. They feel there's some blockage, they can't move towards their person. Maybe they paid promises which they never kept. Maybe they were just flirting and never really stepped up to the plate. They feel now if I do go back to my person, I'm definitely going to be rejected. So they're feeling rather sad and rather left behind and abandoned and not very happy with the way things are. Six of Cups spirit in reverse. Six of Cups in reverse. Six of Cups in reverse. Yes, stagnancy. Somebody offered very, very little. I mean, as much as they wanted, I guess, to, but because of their power control and or insecurities or whatever they had, yes, this person has thought long and hard about their own behavior and how they offered so little. And that's what created this beautiful soulmate connection to kind of stagnate. Okay. So what's this Magician then, Spirit? What's this Magician? Magician spirit. Oh, this person has been hiding their feelings. They've been hiding their feelings. They maybe deep in their heart they did have a lot of emotion, but now I think they've lost their chance here. Five of Cups. They never opened up to reveal what they really felt, and now this person is not very happy at all. I mean, this Leo, this is your card, right? But it's in reverse right now. So whoever had these strong feelings, they never really opened up. It's led to feeling that, like it's like a lost opportunity. So what are they trying to manifest here, Spirit? Who's manifesting what here? Okay, one more. Oh, they want to hold on to this connection. Again, this Leo, this is your card again, Strength card, but again in reverse. Somebody doesn't have the courage to, really come out and ask for what they want, but they definitely want to hold on to this connection. Yes, they're praying for a reconciliation of sorts, it seems. So even though this person doesn't have the strength to come forward and speak their truth, they are quietly manifesting maybe a reunion here. What's this Devil card, Spirit? Devil? Why is the Devil card here? This person is afraid because there's no communication till now. Okay, so whatever has happened here, I think the other person has withdrawn their energy and has stopped communicating with them, and that's kind of really frightening this person to say, hey, I want this person to come back into my life. They're obsessive about the fact they want a reunion and they want to return back to this connection. Eight of Wands, Spirit. What's this Eight of Wands? Eight of Wands in reverse. One more. Somebody knows that, even though there's no communication, they desperately are wanting to charge back in. They know that what they've lost was their wish fulfillment. This person really wants to rush back in for some kind of a reunion or something, because they are realizing now that this is the person that could, was their gift. This was their star, this was their wish fulfillment, and somebody desperately wants to come out of this cold place or that feeling of regret and sorrow and shame and whatever, because now they realize that, what have I done? What have I done? I lost out on a beautiful connection. Yes, one more, Spirit, I need for the Five of Cups in reverse. Five of Cups in reverse. There's a lot of imbalance. Oh yes, this person is very burdened by the fact that they've created a beautiful, very balanced connection to go topsy-turvy here. Why? Because they never put in the work. They never really put in the work to make this connection grow, and that's led to an imbalance. So now what do they want, Spirit, with the Five of Cups in reverse? Oh, they're torn. They don't know what to do. This person is planning. They're planning on what to do now because this connection has really come to an end. This is the end of a cycle. But I do see somebody now reflecting on their own bad behavior, maybe reflecting on what they've done, of how this connection ended. So then what's this Four of Pentacles, Spirit? What are they still holding on to? What are they still holding on to? They want to come back. They want to come back and offer that brand new beginning which was never offered in the first place. This person is feeling rather foolish. They're feeling really, really foolish that I never acknowledged, this connection, and now they do want to come back. They don't want to let this person go. They want to hold on to this connection and, if possible, bring this back in the upright, the Temperance card. But they're being a bit patient, I feel, because I think this person knows that they have to now move and kind of open up and, reveal what they've been hiding in their heart all along. So that's their only contemplation. So meanwhile, this person is feeling, they're praying, they're wishing, they're hoping, they're healing, they are feeling rather bad about having a missed opportunity with a soulmate. Okay, so that's all I have for you, Leo. Hope it works for you. Yes, this person is very, very stressed out. Very can't sleep at night. They never made that decision when the time was right. But this person definitely wants a reunion, a rebirth, a second chance here. They want to end this fight once and for all. So now whether they take this advice, I don't know, and make a move, I have no clue. But that's the message today. So that's all I have for you, Leo. Till next time then, love and light. Take care. Namaste.